where you can find your clients, where they, you know about hot clients, warm clients. At least I hope you know this from the last episode about hot and warm clients, who are they. But today we'll talk about how to identify these clients, where to search for them. I covered a little bit, but right now I want to give you some new illustrations so you can think about and you can go in these places and communicate to your clients. Hey, this is what we do, what we have. Go and order or ask us and we'll deliver to you, we'll serve you. You will sell your services to these warm and hot clients. Right now I'm recording outside, and maybe I should do it more outside. I enjoy it, and maybe you will enjoy some songs of nature. I hope not of cars. Okay, imagine you are going to fish. Maybe you enjoy fishing, I don't know. Let's imagine you are going to fish, you enjoy fishing, and you are thinking, okay, what I need right now? I need to determine on what place to go to fish. On a river, on a lake, on a different place. Even if I decide to go for a lake. What lake? On this lake or on this lake? What type of fish I will fish? I need. And what I will catch this fish. So all this is questions, and the same in business. And as we learned from the past, you need hot clients first and warm clients. Okay, so you will go to fish for the hot fish. Let's imagine this is a salmon. You want to fish a salmon. Okay, if I need to fish a salmon, where I should go? Okay, I should go in rivers. Good. I tried to fish a salmon in Norway with my friends. I didn't succeed. I didn't catch a salmon, but at least I know they're in rivers. Okay, and okay, you go in rivers. You need a special type of with what you will catch this fish. And in your case, you need to go to rivers where this salmon is, where is this hot clients is. Where is this hot clients? We covered, okay, in Google, people, when you will search in Google for car window replacement. It's very clear, car window replacement. Who is searching this type of keywords? Only hot clients who have a problem. I will not stay on Facebook and scroll it, and you will pop up on ad and car windows replacement. I don't have a car, I don't need, and you scroll again. Or on TV, you're approaching the whole audience, a lot of people, a big river, a big lake, and you're speaking to everyone, but you are not approaching the exact people. This why Google is helping you a lot. And you can imagine also the same in your city. You can give flyers to every person, or to put on every car window, or I don't know, flyers. But why should you print so many flyers and invest, for example, 10 cents or $1 for a flyer, for a good flyer, and give it away in hoping you'll get somebody who is hot? It's better to give a flyer to exact people who needs it, and who needs it, they usually search for it. So where they search? They search in Google. Some of them they search in Bing or other search engine. Some of them search in Facebook, of course. Very rarely they search in Facebook this type of keywords. So you need to know, okay, where is this my potential clients, where they are searching. Some of them also are searching in YouTube. some of them searching on Google Map. So you need to be on these places, and you need to learn how to be in these places as effective as possible. We are doing different type of ads, Facebook ads. We tried different ones, and what we learned, hot clients, most of them are in Google ads, and sometimes in Google is very expensive to be. For example, if you will compare cost per click, and you will pay for some Facebook ads, some websites, some different marketing tools. For some clicks you will pay 10 cents, $1, but in Google search you may pay $10, $20. We paid even $50 for a click, because it will bring us hot clients. People on other websites, on Facebook, they may click, oh, let's see what they are doing, or accidentally will click, and you will spend some money on a warm or cold clients. But you need to spend, you can be ready to spend more money for a hot clients, because you can have, for example, $1 click on Facebook. Yes, you can have 100 clicks and only one order, and this means for one order you invested $100. On Google search you can have let's imagine 4 clicks. Yes, $25 for a click, and it's too much. You can think, for one click $25, you'll have 4 visitors on the website, and from 4 visitors 2 will order from you. In this case you spent $100, the same $100, you have less clicks, a lot less, 4 and 100, this is a big difference, and you have a lot less clicks, but you have 2 clients for the same $100. This means $50 for 1 click. Amazing deal, because if you are selling some more expensive, for example, solar panels or other roof replacements, roof fixing, or other more expensive products, you can easily pay $25 for a click, or even $50 for a click, because if you will get a client, you will cover the whole your budget. So you need to think in this way. Don't be scared to spend more. Of course, sometimes it's very crazy and you will get more clicks from Google search, but they are not effective ones. You can have 100 clicks and no orders, and it can be because of a couple of scenarios. One of these, you set up it badly. Actually, when you go with default options, with less experience in Google, they will show your ads. Even if you write car replacement window, they will show your ads on a lot of things, even car repair services and other services about the car. But yeah, you don't offer these services, and they go to your website, they see you don't offer these services, they close the website and they go out. So you spend money, and on search is, you see, is more expensive. You spend a lot of money unwisely, because you are not bringing the people who needs Windows, not other type of services. So first idea is you need to go with very concrete, very good keywords on Google search. Of course, you need also to know how much is the cost, how much you are willing to pay. Maybe in your case it's too much, $50 for one client, and other businesses are willing to pay it, but you don't want to pay so much. In this case, you need to be very creative and go outside of Google, or to try new type of keywords your competitors are not bidding, because Google search is like this: who is paying more, they'll get first on Google search. So maybe you will try new keywords. We promote one of our clients in Los Angeles, and this area of California, Los Angeles, San Francisco are most expensive places on earth to advertise on Google, Facebook, on name it. All type of ads in California is very expensive, and we needed to figure out it's $40 for a click. It's too expensive, and we tried this, we tried different keywords, avoid competitions. We saw most of moving companies. We promote a moving company. Most of the moving company are using the same keywords. Moving company LA, and this is very expensive keyword. Okay, no problem. We'll go to some more concrete keywords for the place he is in, and he's in Orange County, and we will promote moving company Orange County, moving company near me, or different this type of keywords, more exact, and we get better price. And even with better price is we tried, okay, let's figure out even better price, even it will be possible even better price. And from 40 we get to 20, from 20 we get to 15, from 15 we 10, and from 10 we get, I think, $5 or $6 in Google search. And we also tried another type of campaigns, because as you understand, different lakes, you need to try different lakes. Google search is one of the best lakes to be in, but of course you're not limiting only to this. If Google search brings you good return, okay, try also other lakes. And in his case we tried with different banners on different websites, and we saw, okay, this brings also good return in his case. For other clients we tried Facebook ads, but not every type of ads, but message ads, and on targeted people who is more closer to hot clients, to be hot clients. Okay, this works for him, let's do it for him. You can think about groups, Facebook groups. It's a free advertising. It's a big, chaotic, crazy lake, but if you do consistently and you see some results, okay, you can post your annonces in Facebook groups. Maybe you have some listings. Maybe you are seeing people are searching on YouTube to understand how is solar working, and you can be on YouTube, make some videos, put the right keywords on the title and description, and you will be first on YouTube. But to be first on YouTube, if you are beginning, select your city, like solar panels. Dallas will be too much because it's too big city. Make more exact regions. In our case, Chisinau. Yeah, if I'll place solar panel Chisinau or other city, smaller city. My video will be upper because it's low, not so many competitions. Google Map, the same. You need to have on Google Map your name of a company, minus space, and the keyword people search in your city. For example, what's the name? Solara, space minus space, Dallas Solar Company, for example, or other type of keywords people search in Google Map for a company, and you will be here. So you'll have multiple appearance, multiple lakes. You will have your fishing rods, and you will catch some fish. One fish from one lake, one fish from another lake, and together you will get a good amount of people coming to your business. And what is beautiful about this, you placed your fishing rods in these lakes, and this kind of automated, because in couple of months maybe you'll do some updates, you'll take care, you may place some money on Google ads, but it's mostly automated. You don't care so much on improving. If you'll do one boom ad, or for example Facebook competition, you will do it one time and it's gone. You need to do it again and again and again and again. You need to focus on this. But on this type of campaigns, you'll have in your lakes fishing rods, and it will catch it kind of automatically for you, and you need more of these lakes. If you need help on how to set up these lakes, Google ads, Facebook ads, and other type of ads, reach to us. We're willing to help. If you want to learn how to do it by yourself, we have some courses. Also reach to us. We'll guide you. This course is best suitable for your business. Okay, let's go to fish some clients.